Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have 3 raised to power root t is equal to 81 raised to power t, and here we have to solve for the value of t. So t is equal to question mark. Now to solve this, solution, so we have 3 raised to power root t is equal to 81 raised to power t. So to solve this particular question, what we are going to do is that we are going to ensure that this equation, both the left-hand side and the right-hand side, have the same base. Now to do so, we are going to simplify 81. Okay, so 81 can be written as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3, 9, times 3, 27, times 3 is equal to 81. So this also can be written as 3 raised to power 4, 3 in 4 places. 81 equals 3 raised to power 4. So instead of writing down 81, we'll write down 3 raised to power 4. So this then becomes 3 raised to power root t is equal to, in brackets, 81 is 3 raised to power 4, then all raised to power t. Next, we have 3 raised to power root t, which equals, applying this rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power b, all raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. Applying this rule right here, what we have is this, power 4 will multiply t, so we have 3 raised to power 4 times t is 4t. So at this junction, we can also apply this rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power b equals a raised to power c, the same basis, simply compare the exponent, b equals c. Same thing here also, we have the same base, 3, 3, simply compare the exponent, so we have root t is equal to 4 times t, such that to then solve this further, we need to remove this square root from here, and to do so, simply square the both sides of the equation. So in brackets, root t all squared is equal to 4 times t all squared. From here, square will cancel square root, t is equal to, so applying this rule of indices, that you have in bracket a times b all raised to power c, this equals a raised to power c times b raised to power c. Applying this rule right here, this becomes 4 squared times t squared. So from here, t is then equal to 4 squared is 16 times t squared. With this, move t over to this side. Here becomes 0 equals 16t squared. Then move t minus t. So if we are to then rearrange this, we have 16t squared minus t equals 0. Now at this junction, we have a common factor, which is t. Factorize out t into bracket. Here we have 16t minus t, we divide t, we have 1 is equal to 0. With this, we can equate t equals 0, or this 16t minus 1 is equal to 0. From here, we have gotten the first solution of t, which equals 0. Okay, let us then solve for the other values of t from this other equation. So we have 16t minus 1 equals 0. Move minus 1 over to this side. 16t is equal to plus 1. To then solve for t, divide both sides by 16 over 16. 16 divides 16, t is then equal to 1 over 16. 1 over 16. And this is the second solution for the value of t. So we have two solutions for t. t1 equals 0, t2 equals 1 over 16. Now the next thing for us to do is to check if this solution of t is the correct solution for the given question. So let us check the question, which is 3 raised to power root t is equal to 81 raised to power t. Now, for the first solution of t, t1 which equals 0, input the value of t as 0 into this equation. What we have is this, that 3 raised to power root t is 0 equals 81 raised to power t is 0. with this equal each other question mark. So from here, we have 3 raised to power root 0 is 0, with this equal 81 raised to power 0 question mark. Now, following this identity, that if you have a raised to power 0, this equals 1. If you have b raised to power 0, this equals 1. Even 1 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So therefore, what we have for the value of 3 raised to power 0, the answer is 1, which equals, same thing here, 81 raised to power 0 is also 1. Now, since they are equal to each other, this means that the solution that of T1 that we got as 0 is the correct solution for this given question. Now, what of T2, which is 1 over 16? Let us check that out. So, right here, T2 is equal to 1 over 16. And the question is 3 raised to power root t is equal to 81 raised to power t. And putting the value of t as this into this equation, what we have is 3 raised to power root t is 1 over 16 equals 81 raised to power t 1 over 16. With this equal each other question mark. From here, following this rule, that if you have root a over b, this equals root a over root b. Applying this right here, what we have is 3 raised to power root 1 over root 16, with this equal 81 raised to power 1 over 16 question mark. So from here, 3 raised to power root 1 is 1 over root 16 is 4. With this equal, 81 can be written as 3 raised to power 4. So writing this down, instead of 81, we have in brackets 3 raised to power 4 all raised to power 1 over 16. From here, following this rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power b all raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. Applying this right here, we have 3 raised to power 1 over 4 is equal to 3 raised to power 4 multiply 1 over 16. 4 times 1 is 4 over 16. So with this, 3 raised to power 1 over 4 is then equal to 3 raised to power 4 we divide 16, we have 4. So 1 over 4. Now, since they are equal to each other, this also means that the solution of T2 that we got as 1 over 16 is also the correct solution. So with this, the two solutions are correct for the given question. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.